How to create table view with monday.com. So hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to create a table view with monday.com. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into your account, and once when you log in you will be redirected here on this home page. Here you can see there are a lot of boards that we are working on. We can open any board. For example, this is the board that we want a table view of, and you can see it's segregated by several things. So for example, you can click here and then we can click here on table, and another table is form. Let's just name this table as client 1, for example. uh, Wait a second, let's remove it, and client 1, here it is. Now what do we have to do? We need to click here on these three dots. No, sorry, what do we need to do? We need to click here on filter, and then we need to scroll. It's right here. You can click on client view and client 1. And here you go. A table has been formed of client 1 only. Likewise, we can create a new table and we can rename this table or rename this view as client 2. Now here, what can we do is we can filter it, remove this filter and click here on client 2. And here, all the attributes of client 2 will be shown, like the item you're purchasing, the person from our company that is assigned to it. If not, then we can assign one, the status, the date, the priority. And likewise, we can form a lot of views like that. Views are normally formed in order to make the representation of the data here from our main table into very easy views. For example, if I need to see the status of client 1, we can click here and client 1 will open, and here we can click on client 2 and client 2 will open. A filter is not put here, so let's put a filter here. So yeah, just like this. And that's how easy it is. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.